Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you a short presentation that I put together for my parents and my students. Now this first slide has my name and of course my title, and I also added a Bitmoji of myself. The second slide is a picture of me and my daughter, and it just gives them a little background of my information and the years of teaching. And of course, I will elaborate more during our meeting with my students and my parents. This other slide is just letting my parents know, and my students as well, that we will be using Microsoft Teams for our virtual daily meetings. This other slide has our virtual rules, and these are the rules that I expect both my students and my parents to follow, which are: keep your cameras on, please mute yourself when teaching, be present in our daily meetings, do not eat or drink during instruction time, and of course, participate. This next slide has my contact information and of course my office hours, where either the parents will be contacting me or I will be reaching out to the parents. This following slide is just reminding the parents and the students that we will be using our commitments daily as well as our breathing strategies. And that's everything for today, guys. I hope you liked our short presentation. Thank you. And just a reminder, wash your hands. See you soon. Bye-bye.